Hello everyone, I am back with another video. Today we are dyeing my hair blonde. Yep, blonde, we're gonna do it. My hair shrunk, I guess, from what it looked like when I cut it. I think, but it's gonna do that. So, got my gloves. I like the colors purple. I'm using this Kiss Lift Up powder. This is how much I put in a bowl. I think it's kind of too much, but I don't know. My first time doing this. Not really. And I had like a half a bottle of 30 of a developer. And it stank like, oof. Yeah, milk close. Anyway, I think I was kind of playing with it for a little bit, but the texture was not it.
First.
Yeah, I spilled some. Then it got real thick. Like that. I did start applying it to my hair. I didn't really like the texture though. Then I remembered a towel to protect myself. The texture was still thick, and it might have gotten thicker actually. I went ahead and added the rest of the developer. I prefer the texture now. It looks way better. Feels better too. So yeah, I remember that I had edges on, so I went ahead and washed it and then tried to dry it, so I can actually, dye the hair and whatever. And I also wish that I added or used Vaseline to like protect my skin. So I'm not even done applying it, and as you can see, some parts are already, well, the front is already turning. I was just trying to get it in there, to be honest. So now looking back, obviously I didn't add as much of the bleach that I needed to add. I added a lot more at the front of my head, than I did to the back. So clearly that's why the back, didn't really get as dyed as it needed to be. But then again, it was just, is it burning? But my scalp was just itching a lot. And yeah, maybe I should have used some Vaseline to protect my skin, because my ears also was like more like irritated actually. I do have a shower cap somewhere, a plastic one, but I can't find it right now. And I'm just ready to get this going. It itches. I'm not sure if I can handle this for like 30 minutes. Or maybe I can.
I could not.
For the God of heaven hath given thee a kingdom, power, and strength and glory, and wheresoever the children of men dwell.
I left the little plastic bag on my head for like 2 minutes, and it itches so bad. So I think I'm just gonna take it out and wash it off, because I don't have that much hair. And it's already blonde, and I can just dye it again. So I washed it all off, and this is what we have. Not the color that I'm going for. As you can see, the front did light up a lot better than the back and the center of my head. So I am going to go back in with a second batch. Okay, let's go. This time with 20 developer and Vaseline for sure. I did feel like I added a lot more dye this time, bleach, whatever, but the results wasn't really given that, in my opinion. The color of the front right now, the way it looks right now, is how I want. That's the turnout that I want. I want my hair to look like that shade of blonde. It was honestly just so itchy and irritating. Not gonna lie. So I just didn't want to dye my hair again. After this, I was hoping this would be like a one and done thing because, yeesh. And the Vaseline did work. It did work for a minute. So I wasn't sure if it was gonna work because I usually use it for like perms and stuff, but it works as well. This time I think I waited for like 20 minutes and yeah, I was done. I decided to do this and just scrape the bleach off of my hair instead of washing it out because the first time that I washed it out, it just took forever to get the bleach out of my hair and I just don't want to do that again. Here we go, washed it again. Still not the color that I want. Like the front right now and some parts, the sides of the back is looking like what I want, and then the center is still not the color that I need it to be. But then again, decided to do another batch. Just focus on the center this time. And you know, I'm just using the leftovers that I had before. And I was kind of done. Like I don't think bleaching your hair 3 times is okay. So I wanted to just be done. I didn't want to do this, but I don't know. I was like, you know what? I didn't wash this off. I have this little thing. Let's see if that would do anything. So I added it. I wish I waited for the next day to just dye the hair again. But whatever. And here's the 3rd time I'm washing my hair, and honest to God, I'm just done. Like, don't know what it is, but I had a headache. Got me a headache. Not sure if it's the dye seeping into my scalp and my brain. I mean, it does look slightly better, but the center is just it's off, and that is bothering me. It's more golden than like blonde. I don't know. It's just not the color that I wanted. Yeah, but here's the look. See how the front looks, the edges. That's what I want my entire head to look. But I just, at this point, I did not feel like doing anything. I just felt like I shouldn't even try bleaching my hair again because I was actually thinking about it seeping into my scalp just because like the irritation, the burning, all that. And then I thought I'll use this purple thing, but I didn't actually. I just went to go take a nap. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this because I'm gonna cut it anyway. I look like a boy. Hey y'all, so I'm back and it's been a couple days, maybe like a week since I dyed my hair. That is what it's looking like. And because there's a model casting going on and I kind of want to be in it, so I was like, what we gonna do? Because I don't think the color is looking perfect on the back, so I kind of have to do something about it. So I think I'm just gonna dye it again. You know, fourth time the charm. Okay, I said something. So I do feel like if my eyebrows were matching my hair, then it would look but I can't dye my eyebrows because they're microbladed. So I'm gonna take that L. Well, I looked at a video. I looked at the back of my head, and yes, it needs a little dye. At least it needs a little bleach. Okay, it's gotta be a little blonder. All right, because it's not.
All right, so I changed my shirt. I put on some Vaseline, and I started. Try to focus on the back and the middle, the center of my head. Can't forget your towel. It's so bleached from last time. And I got a proper plastic bag this time.
Bucket of water. Me bucket of water. Anyway, it's been like 30 minutes. Anyway, it's been like 30 minutes. Hey, like 30 minutes. Like 30 minutes.
This time my hair wasn't itching. It wasn't really irritating me. So I was kind of like happy about that. And I could handle it.
Okay, so let's take this out. Okay, so I haven't seen the hair. I just washed it. I haven't seen it. Okay, I haven't seen it. Ah, I saw a little bit. Oh my gosh, that is so blonde. What have I done? Ah, that is so blonde. What have I done? The front though. The front is so blonde. What have I done? Did I get it all? Like, I wasn't trying to dye like my edges like that anymore. I'm not sure if you could tell, just so that, you know, it doesn't get too blonde. But oh my god, I think I kind of got it then. Technically, I think this is where I was trying to go, I think. These tails like orangey. Hey, I thought I got it all. Whatever. I generally don't want to care right now. Who knows, it might still look good. But I did want like a loud blonde, and I think I got it. I think this is it. It's just still kind of giving orangey, I think, a little bit, especially in the front. I just didn't want to do too much in the front because I didn't want it to like be louder than the middle or the background. I don't really know. Like, I don't really know. I don't think I want to care because I can now see how fucked up the back of my hair is. See the spaces for real, like on this side especially. It's mad. Like I think cutting my hair was a great idea because I wasn't heading anywhere good. Okay, the locks really did some. I'm ready to like start fresh. So I don't know. I think I'm kind of enjoying the short hair thing. Actually, I'm kind of surprised about that, and I'm also I think I'm a natural girly, like really on the inside. Like I really do like natural hair. Like I really did love my locks. I really freaking did, like really did. But I was getting bald spots, so I had to pick, you know, one over the other, and I just sacrificed my locks. I think maybe I did get tired. I don't know. I think I have a video actually. I don't know why when I took down my lock video. I should just post that instead of talking in here. Working with it's just crazy. You can see how fucked up it is. Like when it dries, you know, probably like cover it up a little bit. But I am looking for new things to add to help grow my hair, to regrow my hair. I was thinking of adding keratin treatments, maybe in the future, whatever. Because I saw that it's great for for 4C hair, for natural hair. Lantana oil, I think that's how you pronounce it. Because apparently Dr. Sebi said it was great for regrowing bald spots, so I should definitely get that. There was something else, rosemary water in the future.
Anyway, I just mixed the purple shampoo with some conditioner and rubbed it all over my head. I wasn't really trying to get in the shower and do all of that. I wanted to make sure that I was covering everywhere, and I didn't want to use too much of the purple shampoo, so I was just trying to be careful. So I'm getting a blonde, yellowy vibe. That's the vibes that I'm getting, blonde and yellowy. But who knows, I can make it work.
Hey y'all, how's it going? I wanted to show y'all my hair. I guess show myself my hair because I haven't seen it. It hurts to comb it, so I'm not even gonna try. Just do this, zest it up a little bit. Anyway, let me know your honest thoughts in the comments. I'm not exactly sure how I feel about it. I kind of think I prefer the old color. I kind of wish that I didn't touch it, but here we are. I am thinking of like dyeing it again. I know, but just the top. dye my hair. 613. It's giving mix. It's giving blonde and blonder. Gosh, I don't even know.
Please subscribe.